I think we're gonna call it a night. What's up, adventurers? It's Jason, and on today's adventure, we are here at Woods of Terror in Greensboro, North Carolina for the 35th anniversary of Haunting North Carolina. Let's Control-Alt-Enter this adventure. The Cyclones Bar. They got the drink menu, leaded, unleaded, and a souvenir cup. Got some cocktails in here, the Baba Yaga drink menu. In line to get our selfie with Dee Snider, Twisted Sister. And of course, obviously, his own haunted house here at Woods of Terror. There it is, the picture with Dee Snider. Got a signed picture by Dee Snider advertising his advertising his haunted house here at Woods of Terror, Strangeland. The line has grown to meet Dee Snider. People are pouring in now.
Is there a problem? You're not saying anything. Is there a problem?
No problem.
Yeah. Ah!
Is that your dad?
No.
Is that your son? Daughter? Ah!
He is nothing but a god. And you will see him soon.
Oh.
Yeah.
At this exact moment, I need all monsters back to Monster Central. If you are a monster, head back to Monster Central. We're gonna keep doing some sick beats for you guys that are waiting around. Are you
Bye,
guys having a good
monsters.
time? Woo! Are you ready to be scared?
Yeah!
All right.
The monsters are leaving, but they'll be back for the parade.
Welcome to Woods of Terror 2026, man, what a crowd. My favorite part. Who are we? Who are we?
Woods of Terror!
Pick your victim.
Ball back, somebody drop some shit on me right here. Make some noise for Ball Daddy!
The fungus among us are starting the haunt.
That feels good.
It begins. Oh! Hey! Hey!
I missed you.
He got sprayed. Oh, the fungus is among us. All right, here we go. Here we go. We're going in. Oh, it's smoky in here. It's smoky. Giant spider over there. Oh, which way are we going? Oh, okay. Oh, there's giant balls here. Oh, 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 strobing. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Ah!
They're taking over the world. Is this their
Oh! That's a bucket.
They're taking over the world. Nobody is listening. They're everywhere. The fungus is
Oh, there's dead bodies all over the walls.
They're taking over the world. Nobody is
That wasn't bad. Focus everywhere. It is so loud. Oh, giant snake. Giant snake. Giant carnivorous plant. Oh, you got me. Oh. All right, we're into the pumpkin. We're into the pumpkin patch. There's pumpkin guts all over the place. And there's a school bus. Oh, that felt good. Oh, that's cool. Oh, we're getting into a bus. Oh, he's moving. Watch your step. Watch your step. Oh, this guy behind us. Oh, hello. Oh, gotta bend over. Oh, giant pumpkin. Crawling to a bus. Oh, hello.
You want to die and live? Come and play ball.
Oh, that feels really good. Oh, there's skeleton. Oh, that's Star Wars? That's Star Wars? Oh. TIE fighters. Oh. Oh, this feels weird. Oh. feels very weird. Oh. Oh. There are barrels. Oh. Oh. You gotta suck in to get through here. Oh. Alright, we're in the next room. Got some. Oh! Got some cyborgs in here. Oh. That's cool. Okay, what's next? Oh, we got wires dangling, smacking me in the face. Okay. Oh, string. Oh, it's very dark in here. Getting hung by wires. Oh. Very smoky in here. Oh. Oh. Finally, a fan. Woo. Neon nightmares. Whoa.
Oh, I love these things.
Yeah. Oh, look at all the spaghetti on the walls. Ah!
Wake off! How much you gonna be trying to after my friend's bed?
Up next, Extinction.
Alright, sir, is it just you?
It's just me.
Alright, you're gonna need to keep moving at a quick and steady pace to get away from these raptors.
Okay.
They've gone feral and they're everywhere.
Are they clever girls?
Yes, yes they are.
Okay, thank you. There's raptors on the loose. There's a T-Rex up there. Uh-oh. There's one. Excuse me, Rexy. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Is this the Abdominus Rex?
Really?
Come on. Hi, Dino. All right. Up next, the brand new attraction, Dee Snider, rated R. Woods of Terror's first rated R haunted house. Here we go. Wow. This is amazing. Oh! It's supposed to be painful. I'm just gonna go this way. Oh, there's chains everywhere. Oh, I'm getting smacked in the face. Being whipped by chains. Oh, there's a girl chained up over here with cameras. There's a man dangling from a bed. I don't know if you can see that. There's underwear, clothes everywhere. Oh no. Oh no, I don't want any part of this. Excuse me, sorry.
You are not excused.
Alright, we spun the camera around. And this is just crazy. Gotta show a little bit. Pain is a uniquely personal experience. Once again, the chains and the candles you see now. Oh, hi there. Watch your head going downstairs. Okay. Oh! Are you okay? Come on, let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Alright, into the fridge. We're going into the fridge. Oh, we got some heavy chains here.
Please.
Shh, be quiet. Shh. He's gonna hear us.
Please, please.
Uh-oh. Oh, we're going underground. Oh, I think we made it. I think we made it. We made it. We made it out of strange land. Oh. Up next is the mortuary.
Casket's your size as well.
We are in the mortuary. Oh, this is so cool.
I was there. You said it. You said take this one away from me. You look very familiar.
Do I? You look familiar.
No, I don't. You don't know me.
Making our way through the crypt. Making our way. Oh, excuse me. Oh, hello, Mr. Skeleton. Oh, you got me.
Come on! Ain't got a net!
Mr. Ebenezer.
I'm not Scrooge!
Oh.
Lord McNichol is my name!
Oh, okay. Not Ebenezer. Oh, look at that guy. He's huge. Oh, no, a zombie. We are in a church. Bombed out church. Next, we're going to the movies. Let's all go to the lobby. Let's all go to the lobby and get ourselves a snack. Oh, that feels great. Air conditioning. Oh, we're in. Okay. A little too much smoke there. Oh, you almost got ran over. That smoke, you almost got ran over. Oh, you did. You got ran over by the ambulance. Uh-oh. We're going into Michael Myers' house. Ooh. Ooh. All right, looks like we're going into Freddy's clutches. Oh, we're in his domain.
Welcome to my
dream. It's just a dream. Hello? Oh no, it's just a dream. It's a nightmare. It's a nightmare. Oh no! Oh, we're at the base shop. Oh! Uh-oh, we made a Camp Crystal Lake.
We can't find Jason.
Oh no!
Please, you gotta.
I can't help you.
Please, you gotta get back to your cabin.
Okay. Oh no! No! I can't see! Oh, he's still there! Oh, I think we made it. Oh, cannon! It's pirate time! Oh, the floors are not very sturdy. Oh no! Great white shark! Oh, this is so cool. Wow, look at the pirate ship. Drink up, me hotties, yo-ho. Oh.
Keep looking.
Oh, watch where you're pointing that. Look at that. Got an entire town right here on fire. East goes straight and oh, play us a tune. If you check out the other video where I do the VIP, oh, pardon me, Captain Jack.
Captain Jack, are you blind?
Belay that!
No!
If you saw the VIP video,
You know, when you're
oh,
looking up, you miss some people around you.
uh-huh.
You gotta keep aware of who's around you.
Thank you. Check out the VIP tour when the sun was up, and you can see all of this
Nobody's
fully.
safe from the captain.
You can see all of this fully lit up by the sun. You can see what it looks like.
On to the floor.
I don't want to get wet. Oh, I just got soaked. Dang it. Oh. Got blasted. All right, we made it through. Up next is the Voodoo Lagoon. Darn, I always miss the giant animatronics jumping out. Excuse me, giant gator.
I love your song. Would you like to go down the dark slide?
How bad is it?
Brave souls.
Well, you have a wonderful time.
Okay.
Dark slide here at Woods.
Okay, I'm gonna go down the slide.
Before taking the plunge into pitch black, please strictly follow the.
It didn't seem like a lot of people picked the slide.
Pick up one sack from the staging area. Step into your sack and pull it all the way up to your.
There's a sack.
Before approaching the top of the slide.
Where's the sack?
Stand by and wait until you hear the first of the hooligans yell, "Clear!" before entering the slide.
Oh.
Do not launch early.
Oh,
Once it is your turn,
we're on our way to
push
the
up
slide.
and enjoy the dark
All right, we grabbed a sack. Here we go. Oh, 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 God. Oh, jeez. Oh, 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 jeez. My God. All good, clear. It is raining? Damn. Oh, it's raining. That's not, which way am I going? This way. It is now raining. And it's lightning-ing. Oh. Oh, God. This is not pleasant. Into the Crimson Quarry. Oh, jeez. Oh. Oh no. Oh. Oh no. The rain is here. All right, we're going to the quarry. And it is raining. Ready? Okay. A little bit of water. All right. Now we're wet and we're in a quarry. And we're in the front. Oh no! 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 Oh, air cannon, that felt good. It's a little rainy in here still, okay. Coming through, it's a little leaky. There's some leaks in the... Oh! The leaky roof really adds to the... Oh no! Excuse me, sir. Oh, goodness. Oh. Coming through. Oh! Oh, no! No! Oh! Making it, oh, it's leaking. The roof. The mine is leaking. The power just go out? All right. I don't know if that was part of it. Oh, excuse me. Oh, oh no. Oh, into the rain we go. Yeah.
Going.
Keep going.
Keep going.
That's right. Oh my gosh, it is a torrential downpour right now. Torrential downpour.
As you can see, there was a minor explosion.
Oh my gosh.
Of limbs or extremities.
Oh my. Jeez. Oh my gosh. I can't see. My glasses are covered in water. Oh. Oh. I am soaking wet. Holy smokes, I am completely drenched. I'm just glad to be inside for a second. Woo! Oh, there's bugs on the floor.
Don't step on him!
Oh, your friends!
They're my buddies!
Oh my gosh. I am completely drenched. I can't see out my glasses. I can't see a thing. Oh.
We'll take care of you, Donald.
All right. You have a good one now, you hear? Oh, it smells great in here. Oh! I can't see worth anything. My glasses are completely covered in water. Oh my gosh. Pardon me. The rain, I can't see nothing. Oh, yeah. It is wet. It is wet. Oh, I don't know how well this camera handles rain. I sure hope it does good. Oh. Woo! We're in Baba Yaga's house. Of course, I sprinted in here. Hey there, Mr. Bigfoot.
dinner. Oh, yes. You can wait with me if you'd like.
Okay, how's it going? I like the decorations you have.
Thank you. It's my collection. I'm sure you'll be added to it soon.
Oh.
The pets do enjoy cleaning the bones for me as we pick our ingredients.
Oh, she's got sisters. Excellent. Ah. I love the ambiance. Are you her sister? No. No? Okay, I'm looking for her sister. What's up? Oh, we're going into the fireplace. Oh. All right. Where the heck are we? Crawling through. Oh, nice. Oh, excuse me.
You gotta pay attention to me too.
Okay, hi, how you doing? Oh, cool.
No one ever gets out of here.
Why are we yelling?
No one gets out. You can't ever leave. If I don't kill you, someone else will.
Okay.
Oh my God! You'll be fun to torture.
Go. Oh, wow, that's so cool. Oh, what was that? Whoa! All right, we're out of the rain for 10 more seconds. Oh, wow, whoa, my eyes. Oh.
Oh my God!
We're caving into the insane asylum.
I don't want to take it. I'd rather have my goodies. I won't
Oh no!
take it.
Don't take it! Don't give it to me! Don't give it to me! Oh! Wow, it smells like a doctor's office in here.
You don't say.
Yeah.
Oh my God! Oh my God! Came out of nowhere. Oh my God! She got me too. She just...
Whoa!
You smell like outside.
Oh! It's nice and warm in here. Woo!
Why don't you place these spiders in my skin? Why? Why? Why would you leave me here to die like this?
I'm sorry.
This is supposed to be a place of healing, and you bring your
Oh.
I'm not crazy. I'm a doctor.
You are.
I can fix this. I can fix this. I know I can.
That's right.
Why
You can save him. Breathe, darn you.
Why are you not?
Oh. We think we made it out. No. Oh, it's not raining as much. Yay. It definitely slowed down.
Oh, you find that funny, don't you?
Whew. We did it! I think we're gonna call it a night. We did the VIP experience and we did the entire nighttime experience essentially. I'm pretty sure everyone is leaving. No one is probably in the midway right now. I'll get a shot of that if there's anyone in the midway. There it is, no one in the midway. My guess is maybe they closed early for everyone's safety. But like I said, I can't guarantee, I can't verify that. I was in the haunt while it was happening. Now if you want the tour with the sun up and you get to see everything and you get to see a backstage tour, a VIP tour, check out the other video I made where I did the VIP influencer experience where you get to see the entire tour of Woods of Terror while the sun is up. All right, that's gonna do it for this adventure. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you leave a like. I think I deserve it, I'm soaked. And if you don't want to miss another adventure, make sure you subscribe. It's free, and I'll see you in the next one.